fight. Mark, he'll pick from the outside. You know about Oda's mixed martial arts career.
He's got underrated kicks. I just wouldn't want to be there.
You already see the redness. Body kick from Costa. Adesanya super efficient.
That left kick is sneaky there from out rushing in because he knows Izzy so well. They're not affecting him.
And again.
Cupping on. He going after them. Down.
Oh! Situation doesn't last very long.
Really sharp here. Just, oh, look at the
beard, an inch away from landing that head kick. Costa did not necessarily.
There's another all day. He can sit out here all day. In Israel Adesanya, but at some point there's a beautiful body kick. There's another one. Oi!
Oh! That right eyebrow.
So if he doesn't catch him in the meantime, now he's got Costa's attention so much. Oh! And then he's out. And he's going to go to the leg again.
Oh! Knocked down from... That is it! Wow! Still undisputed!
Adesanya. Here, look at that slip. Boom! There's that slide back left hand.
And still the